Hi all and welcome back to SI Imaging. My name is Andrew Van Praag. I work as a lead application scientist for SI Imaging. And in today's brief tutorial, I'd like to introduce you to a new feature available on Aura, our software platform. This feature specifically is the ability to save the analytical work that you do on your AMI files. Say, for instance, ROI analysis work. Now, in this example set of files that I've pulled up, I've done total mouse ROIs on the 5 mice in each of these 3 images. This is an example of the use of a near-infrared probe called OsseoSense 750, which binds to the growth plate in long bones of the mouse. And you can see some interesting differences in the distribution of the signal based on the orientation of the mouse, either dorsally, ventrally, or positioned in profile. Now, I would like to save this ROI analytical work that I've done. In prior versions of Aura, once you closed the AMI files, the ROI analyses that you have worked on would not be saved. Of course, you can go ahead and export the data and you can save images prior to closing. But the new feature that is now available on Aura allows you to create a .aura file, which will save all of these files with the analytical, in this case, ROI analysis work on the files, and they will be saved together. So let's demonstrate how this is done. You simply go to File, select Save Experiment, and just for the purposes of emphasizing the Aura extension, I'm going to call this Demo of Aura Files, and we'll save. Now, just to demonstrate the retrieval capability, let's go ahead and clear these files by doing Control-U and retrieve a file by doing File, Load Experiment. And again, what I'm looking for is the .aura file, and we'll open. And what you see now is the individual files opened up as a group with all of their ROI analyses intact. So if you wanted to have the option to go back and adjust the ROIs that you drew or draw additional ROIs, you very easily could. As a for instance, let's go ahead and expand this central image, and I'll do now an individual ROI analysis on the point where the tibia and femur join in the kneecap region. And I could do this as I see fit across all the mice that are present. So I hope that you will enjoy this new feature of Aura. And if you have any follow-up questions, please contact us at our webpage at spectralinvivo.com. All the best.